Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Before we begin today's lesson, it would be better if we pray first. So, let's begin our praying. Okay, done. So, okay, before we start the class, I want you to click this link to confirm your attendance, and I will share to WhatsApp our WhatsApp group. So, I'll wait. Okay, and so I will give you 1 minute to confirm your attendance. Okay, okay, done.
Dan, sir.
So let's move to our material, but before that, I will I will show you about my learning objective. And so the first is to identify and understand the problem related to report text through given question or example. And next is work collaboratively in group to analyze the difference between report text and descriptive text. And the third is to collect and organize information to create a report text about animals, plant, technology, or natural phenomena. And the next one is present the report text clearly and confidently in front of the class. And the last is reflect on the learning process by giving feedback and making a conclusion from the lesson. So, okay, I have one question to all of you. So, have you ever read a text that describe animals, object, or natural phenomena? If you have, so what is it the purpose? So, if you know the answer, just on your microphone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please, Dapa.
I have read descriptive text uh, about the cow, and this descriptive text is the describe the part body of cow.
Okay, that's all, Dapa.
Yes.
Okay, this is correct. But today, I won't explain report text, not the descriptive text. So for the next slide, we go to the material. So what is the report text? So the report text is text that describe the ways things are in general. For example, animals, plant, technology, and phenomenon. So it is usually referred to the result of systematic observation and analysis. And the report text is it usually used a scientific name. So what the purpose report text is? So what is the text written? So and what is the purpose? What is the function and what is the written intention? So for all of this, report text is purpose is to describe in general. So this type of report text. The type of report text is the first is you can make a report text about animal, plant, technology, or phenomenon. And don't forget to use the scientific name to make a report text. So this is the example about the report text. So I want you to read. I want you to read this example. So anyone? So who want to read this example?
I do, sir.
So please, Diwa.
Elephant. Elephant is scientifically known as Elephantidae, are majestic creatures with remarkable intelligence and ecological significance. Physical features including long trunks, large ears, and tusks contribute to their adaptability. Highly social, elephants live in a family group led by a matriarch, communicating through vocalization and tactile interaction, inhabiting diverse ecosystem. Elephants face threat due to habitat loss and human activities. Conservation efforts are crucial as elephants are listed as vulnerable or endangered, emphasizing their cultural significance worldwide.
Okay, thank you, Diwa, to read this example. So in this example, this report text is talk about elephant, and the report text is use the scientific name. So the scientific name is the Elephantidae. Okay, we will move to next part. So in the next part, we will learn about report text versus descriptive text, and I will give you some question about this. Okay. So before we move to the question, I want you to analyze this text. I will give you 2 minutes to analyze this text. So please. Okay, done everyone?
Done,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So I want you to answer this question. So which one is the descriptive text and which one is the report text? Anyone want to answer this question?
I do, sir.
Okay, Diwa. So what the answer?
For my answer is the yellow one is a descriptive text and the blue one is a report text, sir.
Okay, ini. Thank you, Diwa. Hmm. Oh, sorry, sorry. So in this question, and which one is descriptive text and which one is a report text? And in the yellow square is my lovely cat is the descriptive text, and in the blue one is the report text. Okay, we move to the next slide. So what is the difference between descriptive text and the report text? So one to answer this question.
I'm sure I want
Okay,
to.
okay,
Yes.
Dava, please.
All right. So my answer is in this descriptive text, there is no scientific term and only describe physical characteristic. But in the report text is usually accompanied by scientific term. That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you, Dava. So what the difference in descriptive text and the report text is in descriptive text, as we can see, there is no scientific term or scientific name for it. and it only describes its physical characteristic. As you can see in the title of descriptive text is my lovely cat, not just a cat, like a report text. And meanwhile, in the report text are usually accompanied by scientific term, like this is the Felis silvestris catus. So in the descriptive text explain very specific object, while the report text just explain the general object. Okay, I want you guys to make a group and make a report text about animal, plant, technology, or phenomenon. And if you done, I will check your work. So I will give you the 5 minutes to make a report text. Okay, done everyone?
I have done, sir.
Almost, sir, almost.
Oh wait, okay. Uh, okay. Wait echo make a report text. So I will just I want you to present your report text to in the front of this class to make sure you speak equally and clearly. So which one who want to present the report text? Anyone?
I do, sir.
Okay, please Dewa, present your report text.
My report text is giraffe. With their towering necks and distinctive coat patterns, are the world's tallest mammals. Their long necks, comprising 7 vertebrae, like humans, help them to reach high branches for food. Giraffes exhibit unique spotted coat patterns, and each individual's pattern is distinct. Known for their gentle nature, giraffes are social animals, forming loose groups. Despite their iconic appearance, giraffe population face threat from habitat loss and poaching, prompting conservation efforts to protect this magnificent creature.
Okay, that's all Dewa.
That's all, sir.
Okay, good Dewa. So because this time is about the end, so I want to all of you give a feedback about the group DY present the result today. So can you please make a feedback to Diwa? Sorry. Anyone want to give a feedback to Diwa or not?
That's clear presentation, sir. Is good.
Okay. Because the task clear. So for the closing, please make a conclusion. What can you learn from this meeting? So I will give you 1 minute to make a conclusion. What can you learn from this meeting? So okay, done everybody.
I've done, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
so please say what can you learn from this meeting?
All right. From this lesson, I learned what a report tag is and its purpose and its main characteristic, and the difference between report tag and descriptive text. A descriptive text talk about specific objects, and while a report text explain things in a general and often use scientific term. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Dapa, for your conclusion of this meeting. So to end this class, I will say thank you everyone to attend my class. So in other words, so assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.